Tired of everyone seeing your private channels? Here's how to lock them down to specific roles in under 2 minutes. If you've got a server and you're dealing with that cluttered feeling where every member can see every channel, this is for you. We're going to fix that right now. I'll show you 2 methods. First, creating a brand new private channel from scratch. And second, taking an existing channel that's already visible to everyone and making it role exclusive. All right, so let's start with method 1. And honestly, this is the easiest approach if you're building out new spaces.
Look over at your channel list on the left side of your server. Find any category, like where you keep your text channels or voice channels, and right next to that category name, you'll see a tiny little plus icon. Just click that. A window pops up, and this is where you pick what kind of channel you want. A text channel, a voice channel, whatever you need. Give it a name, something clear so everyone knows what it's for. And here's the important part. Down near the bottom of that window, you'll see an option that says Private Channel.
Flip that switch to the on position. That one toggle is what hides the channel from everyone by default. Then click Next. Discord will show you a list of every role and every member on your server. Just check the boxes next to the roles or the specific people you actually want to have access. Once you've done that, hit Create Channel. And that's it. That channel now only exists for those selected roles. Nobody else can even see it. But what if you already have a channel that's been public for a while and you need to lock it down? That's method 2. Go to that channel in your list, right-click on it, and select Edit Channel. Then head over to the Permissions tab. This is where all the control lives. Now, under the Roles and Members section, you'll see the @Everyone role. Click on that. Scroll down in the General Permissions until you find View Channel. You're going to click the red X to deny that permission. A lot of people skip this step, but this is critical. By denying View Channel to @Everyone, the channel disappears from sight for every normal user in the server. It's like it never existed to them. So now that we've got the default set to denied, we need to grant access to the right people. Click the plus sign that says Add Members or Roles. A list pops up, and you just pick the specific role that should have access. Select it, hit Done, and then click on that role right there in the list. Find View Channel again, and this time click the green check mark to grant it. And just like that, the channel is completely hidden from everyone except the members of that role. And here's a quick tip from experience. Always double check that your admin roles or your moderator roles still have access. It's easy to accidentally lock yourself out. If you've set up your permissions correctly, you should see that green checkmark for your own role as well. So there you have it. 2 really simple ways to clean up your server and give specific people access to specific spaces. No more clutter, no more privacy worries. Just a clean, organized server that works exactly how you want it to. Go ahead and give it a try.